I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. I press the snooze button 5 times every morning before I turn off the alarm and get up. I have a cup of coffee and make breakfast. I usually read the newspaper while I have breakfast. My children like to have a shower after they have breakfast, but I like to have a shower before I get dressed. My wife brushes her long hair, and I have short hair, so I comb my hair. How do you do your hair in the morning? It is important to brush your teeth, and some women like to put makeup on. After I have finished work, I go home to cook dinner. In my house, I usually make dinner. The family eats dinner together at 7:30 p.m. After dinner, I make sure that my children do their homework, and then I chill out on the sofa and watch television. On television, I usually watch the news. My wife usually comes to tell me to take the rubbish out or wash the dishes. Our children feed the dog and the cat before they go to bed, and I tell them to go to the bathroom too. If I am sick, I have to take my medication, but then I get into my pajamas and set the alarm so I wake up in the morning. The last thing I do is lock the door, turn off the lights, and go to bed. It doesn't take me long to fall asleep.